If your rosary breaks, your first instinct might be to toss it in the trash. Please don't. In Catholic and traditional Christian custom, throwing a blessed rosary into the garbage is actually considered a serious act of disrespect. Instead, centuries-old tradition says you only have two options: bury it in the earth or burn it. You want to know why? Keep it right here. To understand why, you have to understand what happens when an object is blessed. When a priest blesses a rosary, it undergoes a spiritual change in purpose. Under church law, specifically Canon Law 1171, once an object is set aside for divine worship, it moves out of the profane or everyday world into sacred status. It's no longer just plastic, glass, or wood. It's a tool dedicated exclusively to God. So treating it like leftover takeout or everyday garbage strips away that dignity. So burying or burning are methods that come with deep biblical symbolism. 1. Returning to the earth burial, just as human bodies are buried with dignity, dust to dust. Sacred objects are returned to God's creation in a clean spot where nobody will step on them. 2. Purification by fire burning. Burning a wooden or cloth rosary completely consumes the physical object, ensuring it can never be misused or desecrated. Once burned, the ashes themselves are buried in the ground. In short, both methods completely remove the object from worldly use while treating its former purpose with honor. Now, what if your rosary is made of metal or plastic that can't be burned, or you don't have a garden to bury it in? Simple. You can take it to your local parish. Most churches have a collection box for broken sacramentals, especially before Ash Wednesday, when old palms and items are burned, or they'll dispose of it properly for you. And remember, if it's just a broken link, you can almost always repair it with a pair of pliers. Did you know about this rule before? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe for more fast breakdowns like this.